We're interested in the total surface area, so we've got a cube which has 6 square faces. Even this top face is a whole square because the circle that's missing here appears on the top. So we're going to have 6 square faces plus the curved surface area of our cylinder. So the squares are all 8.7 by 8.7, and the curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. So 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by R's 2.7 and H is 4.9. Type it all in. And my calculator gives me 537.266546. If I want, I could round to 3 sig fig and give 537. To get velocity, we need to differentiate. So multiply by the old power, so 3, reduce the power by 1, 1 less than 3 is 2. Multiply by the old power is a hidden 1. 1 less than 1 is 0, so nothing there, and the 3 just disappears. So it's 3t squared, subtract 6. Acceleration, we've got to differentiate our velocity. So multiply by the old power gives me 6t, 1 less than 2 is 1, which we don't bother writing, the number disappears, and we want it at 5 seconds. So we want 6 lots of 5, which is 30. Making R the subject, well, first of all we can factorise out R squared from the right hand side, then divide by the bracket, and the opposite of squaring is square rooting. We can find CD by Pythagoras. So CD squared is 8.3 squared, subtract 4.7 squared. .8. So CD itself is 6.8410525551. We want this angle here. So in this triangle we've got the opposite, the adjacent, the hypotenuse. We now know the opposite, that's 6.84. So cross off the hypotenuse means we're doing tan. Tan is opposite over adjacent, so we're going to do shift tan, the opposite which we've just worked out, 6.8410525551, over the adjacent 7.5. So shift tan, it should still be in our answer. 42.36920486. 42.4 to 3 significant figures. Solve the quadratic. So the amount of t squared is -5. So A is -5. Amount of t's is 6. So B is 6. and the number on its own is 2. C is 2. Put it into the quadratic formula. So x equals, no, it's t, sorry. The negative of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Let's work out the positive one first. Which is negative 0.2717797887. If we swap and put in the subtraction, we get 1.47. 1779789. This has to be a time. Time cannot be negative, so it must be the 1.47.